How to turn off notification within Discord on your Discord account, of course. Hello guys, how's your day and how is it going? Today I will teach you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video, and let's start. The first step is go in and open Discord. After this guys, when your Discord is opening, you will just go down here on your profile and you will click. Then you will find like a long list. In this long list you will just go down and you will go here to notifications and you will click. You will find the first option, in-app notification. Get notification within Discord. We will just turn off this option by clicking here on this place like this, and that's it. It will work with you. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.